A sample of metal weighs 50 grams in air and 45 grams in water. Calculate its density. Okay, let's solve it. Solution. So first one, weight of metal in air. So weight in air is 50 grams. Weight in water is 45 grams. So we have to find the density of the metal. We don't know, but we know density to be mass over volume. Already we know the mass, which is 50 grams. So what we need now is the volume, but the weight in air was given and the weight in water was also given. So we already know that the buoyant, that's the buoyant force, is equal to the weight loss. The buoyant force is equals to the weight loss, and the weight loss is 50 minus 45, which will give us 5 grams. So this is the weight loss that we have. So the density of water, we already know the density of water to be 1 gram per cm cube. So based on the density of water and the weight loss, we can use it to find the volume of the metal. So we already know that density is mass over volume. So to find the volume is a matter of change of subject. So volume will be equal to mass over density, and we know the mass to be 5 grams, and we also know the density of water to be 1 gram per cm cube. So therefore the volume will be 5 cm cube. So for now, we have our volume to be 5 cm cube, and we have our weight to be 50 grams. So we can now find the density of the metal. So therefore, density equal to, is the mass over volume, and it has been already stated. So the mass is 50 over the volume, which is 5. So 50 divided by 5 will give us 10 grams per cm cube. So therefore, The density the density of the metal is 10 grams per cm cube. That's the density. The density of the metal is 10 grams per cm cube. Thank you. Bye bye.